Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and we're here with another night drive. It's around 8:30, so curfew would have started 8 o'clock. So we're just taking a drive with you guys just to show you around the place. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the end of June. So right now we're at the intersection of WALTHAM Park Road and MOLYNES Road. So that's where we're at right now. So we'll be driving along MOLYNES Road into Half a Tree, you know, that busy town center, and just see what's happening at this time of night. I know some persons do enjoy the night drive, so whenever I get a chance, you know, because this channel is full of different content, and it's a versatile channel, I try to, bring different content for you guys. So we're now on MOLYNES Road, heading to the direction of Half a Tree. Remember to leave your comment, guys. Let me know what you think about these night drives. You know, this time of night, MOLYNES Road is basically empty, so that's a good thing as well. No traffic. Remember to also like the video, guys, and share as well. So night drive, basically WALTHAM Park Road to Half a Tree. So stay tuned and enjoy the video while I play some music for you guys. So it's around 8:30 in curfew. For the most part, most places are closed. About a minute and a half ago, we passed that famous tire shop on MOLYNES Road. So they seem to be working on a few vehicles before completely shutting down for the night. But most places are already closed. Transport center is empty. You know, a few taxis on the road making their final spin. So this is another night drive, Waltham Park Road to halfway tree. Showing you guys around the place. Alright, I'm gonna go down Eastwood Park Road and come back around to give you guys a full view of halfway tree basically. Yeah. 1 and 2 persons seem to be stranded, like this person on the left here, are these 2 persons. You know, there's no public transportation right now, so they seem to be waiting on taxi or bus. So we'll take the right turn here, and again guys, you know, try to obey the different curfew measures. You know, the worst thing you want to happen is for you to be charged, you know, for some COVID related thing when you could have prevented it. That's one charge I don't want on my records, you know, anything that has to do with COVID. COVID has done so much bad already. I'm an essential worker, so I'm on the road at this time, so just capturing some scenes for you guys. But for the most part, as you can see, not a lot of vehicular traffic, not a lot of pedestrian traffic either. So even though this light is on green, there is no vehicle passing, or just a few vehicle passing. So one is passing about right now. That's a taxi. And this is our green. So this is the upper level for the transport center. Again, no one is over there because there's no buses, everything is locked down, and the curfew runs back to 6 a.m. no, sorry, 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. So these stoplights are 2 of the busiest in Kingston, probably in Jamaica as well. Alright guys, so continue enjoying the drive. Remember to like, subscribe, share. So we have some police patrolling the street.